like 3 hours of your life that you could have been outside doing something. Living life, loving your lovers, you know.
I kayak off waterfalls, but not when I'm playing video games.
I don't have people to love.
That's fair.
That's sad.
Gavin!
Oh.
Quit stuffing your fat face and click the hit button.
But I'm hungry!
Yes, that's the problem.
You're right there, man. Just hit him.
I want to hit Gavin. He's tiny.
Use
damaged.
Use your real life skills to win in video games.
If I hit Gavin, he might die. If Gavin hits me, I'll live. That makes it unfair.
I think lightning comes.
We are going to go back and play the
cooler
Rainbow
than
Road
this
like
cup
over and
actually
over again, right?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
Toads
Of course.
and goats.
My phone's ringing.
I now hate you forever for saying that.
Hello?
Popular. Should we pause on a
Hi.
pause?
No. Oh. Hey, I boosted.
done.
Nice.
I think I'm the only one out of all of us that did.
No, I'm not.
I frequently fail to boost.
Yep. Okay, I will.
Tell them I love them.
Alright, fine.
I love
It would
you!
be really awkward, probably.
It's not that awkward. My friends know Gavin's flaming gay.
Oh, okay.
Who was that?
Wait, goddammit!
Someone-
Same thing happened to me, man.
Fuck you, Joe.
I was holding the button the whole time, so.
That's because you're an asshole.
That's not why Gavin's an
Giant
asshole.
That's harsh.
Gavin's an asshole because
No.
he doesn't take people's feelings into consideration when he
Items.
does stuff.
Damn it! I don't get in last place on purpose so I can get the freaking mushroom. I get in last place so I can get the awesome stuff.
So you're intentionally going to last place so you can cheat as the bullet?
Kind of, yeah.
It's not cool, man.
It's a strategy.
Well, apparently it doesn't work.
So spawn camping, but everyone agrees it's not cool.
Or
Well, no,
they
I-
make the game so spawn camping is discouraged.
Whoa, crap. Could not control myself. Flew into a wall. Again.
Yeah, I just did that too.
Hold the mushroom. Bad item for this level.
Not really.
Yeah,
It's
That's
got a lot of
awkward.
straightaways.
Yeah, but also has a lot of turns.
Well,
You
yeah,
don't
but
use it on the strategy is not to use it on the turn.
I didn't.
Yeah, I mean, you don't just repeatedly hit the trigger button and screw yourself over. I mean, that's a bad idea.
That's very silly.
Oh, there's a shortcut there and I missed it.
Shortcut?
I think so.
Whoa.
Okay, why are all the blue guys competing with me for first place? Where are you guys?
I'm in last.
Not getting items that I need.
Someone restarted the game without telling me, so I've been like working on it back.
Oh, that's right. I screwed you guys over at the beginning.
Yeah. That's part of the reason why.
That makes
It's
sense.
not the entire reason why, but it's a chunk.
It's a large chunk.
Well, I regret nothing.
Damn it!
And now I'm past you. What's your excuse, Joe?
Like Gavin, I didn't get any good items, and that's my entire basis for winning. Because I'm Gavin. Oh wow, that was the last one.
Yeah, that's a real short one.
Yeah.
Come on. Yes, not last place.
I really didn't get
You're a
anything useful
valuable
that time.
member of the team.
I know.
I had like...
No, we know, Gavin. Nothing's ever your fault. Whatever.
It's not, it really isn't.
Oh shit.
Sorry, Gavin, that's hilarious. It's
Really not. It's like, it's not my fault though. You don't understand.
Peach garden.
I think I do understand. I got bananas and green shells that whole race.
Because when you're in first, that's what you get. But I was in last and still getting crappy stuff.
Then your strategy of sucking on purpose shouldn't have.
Kind of sucked, I guess you'd say.
I would say. Boost! No, fuck. I don't know when to hit the damn button.
You gotta
You
hit
hit it on
like,
the 2.
or
No, when I hit on the 2, I spin
Boo,
out.
boo,
You have to
hit it, boo,
hit it,
then you get it.
3, 2, hit the button. 1. Like between 2 and 1.
That's what I did this time. It didn't happen.
Next time we'll
Halfway
say
between
now,
2 and 1.
right before you're supposed to hit the button.
Alright.
Oh shit, Gavin's ahead of me. It's because I didn't get any good items. I should have gotten the bullet bill.
Gavin sucks.
Oh, I missed.
Ooh.
Oh god,
Oh.
this part of the course sucks for my guys.
Monsters!
Oh, Peach! Who's Mario? One of you guys are Mario. Why
I
is
thought you were
Mario?
Mario.
No, I'm not. I'm Berta.
Alright. I don't know.
Fuck am I?
Oh, right into the wall.
There's a computer.
Wow, I went the complete wrong way.
Did you just turn around or what?
I turned left when I should have turned right, so I ran into a corner.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's hard to come back from.
Yeah, I know. Especially because I got well, gold mushrooms aren't terrible, but not terribly helpful in this level either.
No,
say that
they're,
for
they're
every
actually pretty
level,
good in this
but-
level.
Yeah,
Like right here,
one
they're
of the better
pretty
items
good,
are you just
pretty
use them horribly. I'm sorry.
Well, I mean, like right here, they're right there are pretty useful because there's a giant straight.
Fuck you, Peach!
Oh, and then I fell into the water.
Yes.
Oh shit, I could have cut that corner. Damn it. Sorry about that.
Always cutting corners.
That's the Gavin way.
Ah! Ah! Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah! Monsters! Monsters!
Okay. So what the hell's Ben yelling about this time? Oh,
Womps. Whoa.
This is
You
not a
mean the,
very
chain
good
chomps,
royal garden.
Yeah, sorry.
same difference.
It's a weird ass garden.
Yeah.
Hey, this palace is huge because we're going like 50 miles an hour.
Well, that's to
makes
be
it a pretty
expected.
awesome garden,
She's
though.
proper royalty. The thing that weirds me out is she keeps killer monsters in it.
Well,
Keep all the bad guys away.
In fairness,
Yeah.
I would totally do that.
No, but the monsters are the bad guys. You don't understand. They will never attack any
Oh,
of the
hey,
bad guys.
there's a ramp right there that I
Only
actually
your
flew over.
guests.
It's kind of
Well,
awesome.
maybe she doesn't like guests.
She likes Mario.
We don't know that.
Yeah, but
We know
Mario.
Mario
could-
likes
oh
her.
no, I'm in the fucking flowers.
Mario follows her around, bends her backwards for her. We have no idea if she likes him.
Yeah, that's true.
He might just be some creepy stalker who
Okay, what the
unfortunately keeps saving her life from terrorists.
It's kind of funny because it's kind of true.
What?
Oh!
Oh,
don't
no.
know what happened there. I'm completely fucking lost. I don't know where I am.
Just follow the signs.
It's not helping because I'm like going in a circle.
If,
There it is.
If it doesn't say
Ah,
reverse, then you're doing well.
Yeah.
Right, but I mean, I was going around in a circle, which was really poor planning.
That
Well,
works.
the,
Although technically
I hate to
that's
break
all we
this to
ever do
you,
in this game.
Sam, but the whole race course is kind of like a circle.
I just
But
made
there was a
that
circle
joke
within a
except
circle.
For better.
Oh god, paradox.
The circle's not paradox, it's a ring.
Sorry if I ran into anyone. Looked like
Gavin
it was
only
red.
won because I didn't get a bullet bill.
I won.
Yeah.
Swept it.
Well, Gavin got ahead of me, and it was because I got screwed over on items.
It's funny because it's probably true.
Oh,
Oh, Sam.
wow.
Sam just is driving terribly.
That was awkward. and
Sometimes you
painful.
can ride on fences.
Yeah.
It's a legitimate strategy.
He like went into the corner and then got
We were all watching Gavin.
Oh.
And he didn't even make it.
For
to
those
the
of you at
finish
home
line.
that missed it, Sam totally face planted in the fence and got hit 3
I
times.
think Sam did pretty well given the circumstances.
Thank you,
perfectly.
Joe.
Which was that he didn't have the best items, so he couldn't
Right,
possibly have won.
because I only got one bullet bill, and that did not allow me to win.
Hey, that beats me. Like I've been in last and not gotten any
Next
bullet
race.
bills before.
Next
Joe.
race. Next
Joe.
race.
Hold on.
Next
Joe.
race.
I'm still crying.
My personal shit is more important than every one of you.
Don't worry, you're just gonna creep her out later anyway.
That's, yeah.
No arguments.
Sorry.
It always doesn't work out when they find out I don't have real emotions.
Also,
You
it's
guys
kind of
see
cool.
Dexter season 5 yet? I actually
Yeah.
thought that was pretty good.
I have.
Yeah,
Actually.
right?
Everyone's trashing it. It did definitely recycle the plots from 2 and 3, but it did them way better, so whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
It's like, granted, there was no Dokes, which sucks, but besides that,
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dokes
aka
was
the best character ever.
Yeah.
motherfucker. Ah, I've been hit.
Dokes is what
Oh
you get when
yeah.
you take
That was sweet.
yelling
You
at
like that
people
bomb there?
and distill
Is that
it.
you?
Yeah. It
Yeah, it was
bounced
great.
off the wall.
Why are we
Okay, that-
shooting up a volcano?
Because we're extreme racers,
This is
man.
the dumbest sport ever. Ah!
I especially like that part of the bomb where it almost hit me.
Well, I don't think it would have hurt you though, because
Well, it might have.
Yeah,
done
if it's a
something.
red explosion, it can't hurt. If it's a blue one, it wipes it out.
Well, it was a bomb, so I don't
It's
know.
a racist explosion. See, we're the Bloods, and the NPCs are the Crips. So,
Go,
ah!
Sam. Keep doing what you're doing.
Damn it, Gavin, you
Oh,
knocked me into a
shit.
boulder.
my bad.
Gavin.
I'm gonna guard the rear, Sam.
Alright, cool.
Except for I can't guard you against blue turtle shells, so, you know.
Okay.
This motorcycle goes
Good
too
luck
fast for
with
the
that.
cornering on this Level.
Whoa.
I got the rear of the rear.
Sorry.
Was that you?
That was me,
Okay,
so
that's
it
fine.
couldn't have heard you.
No, I actually saw.
Oh,
I never
incoming!
saw the red.
Incoming blue guy!
Oh shit!
No, it was a green shell, but I had
Right.
I threw it so I could get my red shell out.
I hate the lightning cloud so much, you guys. It's
Yeah,
not even a
it's,
power. It's like, here, fuck you. I don't want this.
Yeah, it is kind of.
It's yeah.
It's good, but it's bad.
It's worse than the blue shell. I'm just gonna say it.
That's wow.
Wow, that's harsh.
It's way worse than blue shell.
It's more frustrating, I should say.
Blue shell, at least you can use against
All right, go
opponents.
jail.
That's what
I'm
I'm
trying to
gonna do.
protect you.
Ooh.
Oh, I think I almost hit Wario with that.
These
that banana.
boulders seem dangerous, you guys.
We should avoid them at all costs.
At least they're not
Not
on
at all
fire.
costs. Like,
Against the other volcano.
I'm not gonna avoid it at the cost of my firstborn son,
Oh, okay.
for
I would.
example.
I would believe.
Well, yeah.
18th
I
term
expect
abortion.
that.
Bada bing, bada boom. Going back to college.
Anybody who thinks 18th term abortions are wrong are just sexist and hate women. I say these things because not everybody has the guts to.
Ow, fucking bullet. And I went
That's a
from...
bad idea. Don't fuck bullets.
Whatever. Fancy.
Yeah, I'm right behind Sam. That kind of makes me sad.
I fucked bullets right in the ass. Boom. Ah, hell. Cool. No, lame.
No items.
I got the cloud again. I hate the cloud.
Ben,
I
Get
should getting
off.
items.
get the cloud off you, Ben.
I'm in first place. There's no one in front of me to give it to.
That sucks. It's okay, I got your back.
Appreciate it.
By which I mean I'm going to take first place and thus
Oh,
have the glory.
freaking
It's okay, protect me.
new character taking
I'm very
items.
small.
Oh,
Oh, you're Wario. No! Doing so well, and then I fell into a pit.
Don't fall into pits.
I was trying not to.
That is not a winner behavior. Alright, that worked out.
Oh, no, okay. I almost fell off that bridge.
oh my god.
We did okay, I think, in that one.
Yeah,
You guys?
I think we did.
Well, I beat
Sort of made up
Sam, I guess.
My
At least
entire
Well, Sam,
And
Gavin
all the
did
computers.
exactly as well as I expected him to do.
I coughed. Sorry. I'll probably do it again.
Ruined this. I'm to start over from the beginning now.
That's what she said.
Okay, let's do it.
That's also what she said.
I like how there's two Bowser's castles in this game.
That's also what she said.
There are three.
She says fucking everything. She never stops talking.
Oh yeah. But one of them doesn't count because it's
You
just
gotta
the
hit her.
2D
It's
one.
just the lava.
I thought you knew that
It's just
then.
the
Now,
the Game Boy
by the way.
Advance.
You said that really late.
Yeah.
You guys advice on this is horrible.
Well, I tried, but I forgot to say
I
it.
forgot that's what.
So I
we
figured
did.
I figured I at least.
tried, but it didn't work. So I'm not convinced you ever knew what you're talking about.
It's always weirded me out that thwomp that's behind the bars. It's like, why is he there? What's the deal?
He's a rebel thwomp. I wrote an entire fan fiction about him in middle school.
Weird.
No.
Wait, where's the swamp that you're
Should've
talking
yes,
about?
that would have been hilarious.
I think
I'll
it mostly
first.
would have been pathetic.
Fuck, he led a brave thwomp revolution against Bowser. But his thwomp brethren-
Can't see.
Because I'm pretty
For
sure
30
we're all
pieces of
fairly nerdy, but I like to
Michelle.
think we're still above fan fiction nerdy.
I don't know, fan fiction gets you a lot of money, man.
It's true.
Like Dante. With his Bible fan fiction made like
Oh,
billions of
shit.
dollars back in the day. Or friggin' Milton. Also Bible fan fiction. It's just about which fandom your own fan fiction is for.
That's true.
It helps if not being a fan is outlawed by law and get your toes pulled off and set on fire.
Outlawed by
Milton
law?
knew this. Yeah.
Just checking.
Not
Yeah,
being a Bible
Joe,
fan
you
was
go
like
head to head.
pretty punishable back in the day and currently in some places. Like in the Vatican where they secretly kill children in the basement.
Right.
But you're not supposed to know about it.
Oh,
That's why
that
it's
that
secret.
chomp. I see
Do
what
it.
you mean.
That's why it's secret.
It's actually.
Swamp.
Whoa.
Chomp swamp. Stomp the stomp.
Deal kind of rhyme.
Sorry.
This is
Sorry,
the
I was
part
continually running into
where you
that.
have to use your anticipation.
Oh!
Yeah, like
Yeah, like where is Joe not
Like,
gonna
Sam
steal my
just-
items so I can get some?
Don't quit whining. It's always something with you.
that's a good strategy there. You might want to quit whining.
Yeah, I quit whining. Sort of.
Oh, Peach.
When did that happen?
Suck my shell, Peach.
Whoa.
Must go faster,
That
must go faster,
was-
must go faster, must go
Is that a
faster.
blue shell or something?
No, that was a bomb.
Oh, great.
Whoa! There's fire!
No.
Alright, we need to kill all the blue
You gotta be
guys.
careful about the fire. Like,
Yeah, watch out
don't
for
hit
the fire, guys.
Don't hit the fire. It's a bad thing.
Oh no, not the lightning cloud.
This is slightly more extreme than it was on the N64.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's the same level, but
No, I'm blocking
I
it.
tend to agree.
No,
I would also think around this.
couldn't quite catch up in time.
The changes to DK's Jungle Parkway were lame, but this one's neat.
Damn it.
Where
yeah,
are
this
you?
is updates done right. It's not like, re-released Star Wars trilogy land. It's like re-released frickin' Technicolor old movies. Which
Yeah.
is better. Or something. I had a point there, but I forgot what it was. George Lucas sucks.
That was your point.
Yeah,
Really?
I hate him.
How did I not get items?
I might actually assault him.
What's up, dude? Again. Sorry if I hit you on
Mostly
accident.
verbally, but still. I would call him names till he cried.
I'm gonna make
Oh,
videos
shit, sorry.
on
Did I
the
knock you off?
internet about how bad his movies
Whoa,
are.
okay, guess not.
Bullet.
I'm probably gonna do
Fire!
Blue Shell.
Be careful about the fire.
Ah,
Whoa,
horrible
blue that was a
timing!
blue shell, wasn't it?
That's why I said
Right
Blue
in
Shell.
front of me.
It knocked me out of midair.
Oh, whoa,
Into lava.
careful. Okay. Woo.
I hit the fire. I hear that's a bad idea.
Oh, hell yes.
Or is she? Another blue
Careful.
shell? Son of a bitch.
Jeez. Well, that's bullshit right there, man.
Yeah, it's like, I know it's in vogue to blame other things, but I was actually forbidden from winning that time.
Yeah,
No,
the first blue shell was just bad. It's luck, because, I mean, it ended up...
Well, no, you just had a bad stretch. In
Sam
in
actually
part of the race.
Yeah,
Nice.
I
It's not like
was
you're
shocked
just-
that I won that.
You know, like a bullet bill wouldn't have fixed that.
Yeah, I like how I got a star right at the very end when it didn't matter. That was nice.
Whatever.
But we still won.
I like how I get enough food every day.
I don't get enough food every day.
I like how I have, like,
There's no
shelter.
such thing as enough food for Gavin. He just wants to keep expanding until he dwarfs the known universe.
Until he becomes the known universe.
I am the known universe.
You're
You guys
your
talk
own
about-
known universe. You're not the known universe yet.
I will be the known universe.
This is a weird conversation.
Yeah.
It's only been like 3 hours of your life that you could have been outside doing something.
For saying that.
Hello?
Popular. Should we pause it?
Hi.
Pause.
No. Oh. Yeah,
Well
boosted.
done.
Nice.
I think I'm the only one out of all of us that did.
No, I'm not.
I frequently fail to boost.
Yep. Okay, I will.
Tell them I love them.
Alright, fine.
I love
That would
you!
be really awkward, probably.
It's not that awkward. My friends know Gavin's flaming game.
Oh, okay.
Who was that?
Wait, goddammit!
Someone-
Same thing happened to me, man.
Fuck you, Joe!
I was holding the button the whole time, so.
That's because you're an asshole.
Man, just hit him.
I don't want to hit Gavin. He's
Use-
tiny.
Use
I'd be
your
damaged.
use your real life skills to win in video games.
If I hit Gavin, he might die. If Gavin hits me, I'll live. That makes it unfair.
I think lightning comes.
We are gonna go back and play
Sounds
the
cooler
Rainbow
than
Road
this
like
cup,
over and
actually.
over again, right?
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
Toads. Toads
Of
and
course.
goats.
My phone's ringing.
I now hate you for...
Thing. Living life, loving your lovers. You know.
I kayak off waterfalls, but not when I'm playing video games.
I don't have people to love.
That's fair.
That's sad.
Gavin,
Oh,
quit stuffing your fat face and click the A button.
but I'm hungry!
Yes, that's the
You're
problem.
right there.